This Gary life, is it really for me? Oh, all the time. I'm always soaking Gary. I'm actually really, really tired. Every day. Every day. Let me call Yinda. She'll probably have a solution for me.
Hey guys, welcome. Oh. Hello, Sulia. Hey, Yinda. What's up now? How you doing? I'm eating Gary. Like, imagine me. I'm eating Gary. I am so broke, girl. Right timing. I was just about to do a video on that. Are you serious? Make sure you stay tuned, girl. It's going to be lit. Thank you so much. I got you. Any day. Just make sure you tell your friends, and share the video when it's out. Bless, girl. Hi. Bye, babes. Love you. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Okay. From the title, you already know what we're doing today. I'm going to be talking about how to make the coins. The what? The coins. Alright, so I'm here to help you guys, find out ways for you to make money in university. As a university student, sometimes we're broke. Monthly allowance is not just enough. Sometimes we overbuy, we overspend, and I'm tired of hearing I'm broke. I don't want to see you girls getting sugar daddies because you're trying to make some money. No, there are a lot of things you can do. So the first point, guys, is photography. If you know you have a good eye for details, you can honestly go into this. So you can take pictures of events, people, take pictures of things. Just look for someone that wants to take pictures and take pictures for them. Put a price on your work. No free works, guys. So if you have good editing skills, you have a good camera, you have an eye for details, you can definitely go into this. You can also make an IG page where you have all your works there, so people see what you do. People know that, okay, this guy did take good pictures, let me hit him up. Anytime people hit you up for pictures, just let them know that you charge for your time. Don't be doing free works, guys. It's not the way this year. Another thing you can go into is organizing parties and events. As college students, as university students, we like to turn the up. Like, we like to turn up. I mean, you can always organize an event, find a good location, get you some drinks, get you some juice.
The DJ,
Just get you like a nice place with nice vibes and organize an event, organize a party, get your friends to promote it, get everyone to know about it, and people will come up, and then you get money from that because people are paying to come into the party. People might be paying for drinks, depends on how you want to do it. It doesn't just have to be parties alone. You could do concerts during the summer. You just have to have the right links, have the right plugs, and you're good to go. I have a lot of friends actually that do events and they are cashing out. So if you have some connects, you have some, you too, cash out. Don't play yourself. Another point, guys, is selling food. People like to eat. People like to chop. People love food. There is no way you sell food and you not get at least 10 people to buy from you, because people eat every day. It is a necessity. Whatever it is that you are really good at making, that when people eat it, they're like, I want more, girl. I want more of this. You can decide to make this a business and make it for people in school. It can be akara, it can be spaghetti, it can be shawarma. So people obviously order from you, and then you make it and you sell it to them. Chicken, it's not that hard, because people eat, so there's a market for it. So that people are always eating, so that you're always making money. Stephanie? Yeah. So another point, guys, is hair making. Girls like to make hair. Every month someone is changing their hair, and some people just don't like going all the way back home to make their hair. So if you can braid, weaves, and do wigs, if you can do hair, yeah, you can start with your roommates. Just if you could do braids, braid her hair. Let her go around school, go around your hostel, show people that you made this hair for her, so they know that, okay, me can make hair. Let me go and hit her up to make my braids. So go into the business. Get some money, get some coins, don't be broke, make some hair. Another thing you can do to make money, guys, is graphic designing. I have a lot of friends that do websites for people, do posters. You can make money from the companies, brands. They're looking for people to custom them a logo, custom them something. So if you have a talent or a skill at this, you can also make money from this. So just get your work out there so people see what you can do, and yeah, you're making money from
all the things that you people used to do as graphic designer.
Sell stuff. So basically you just need to figure out what people want. So you can go to like Lagos Market, for example, Eko, Balogun, if you know, you know. Go to Lagos Market, go to Yaba, go to all these places where you can buy things in bulk, but like you buy at a very, 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 very cheap price, and then you come to school and you sell it at a higher price. Oh my, you go cash out, trust me, because I have friends that have done that before. Like they went to Lagos Market and they bought rings and they were not so expensive. They probably bought the rings for like 500 and they came to school and they sold those rings for 2k, 2.5. So imagine how much you'd be making off that. I mean, and these things are quality. It's not like they're crappy stuff. Like they're quality stuff, but you get them at cheap prices. So when you come back to school to sell, you are definitely making profits. So it could be clothes, it could be sunglasses, it could be rings, it could be accessories. Just go get stuff in bulk and come and sell in school, because people in school like to look nice. So you definitely get a market. You get me? Another point, guys, is being a makeup artist. Girls love to slay. So they might have a party, it might be their birthday, they might be doing a shoot, whatever it is, guys. If you are a makeup artist and you can beat the hell out of faces, girl, invest in makeup products and makeup brushes and go beat some faces, because you're obviously going to get a market for this. So you can make an IG page for your makeup brand, so people know that oh my slay face me, she's gonna be my face. So they will obviously reach out to you, oh girl, come and be my face. If you're a good makeup artist, guys, you can definitely make money out of this, because people are looking for people to beat their face. And I know that people charge as much as 8k, 10k per face. So imagine if during the weekend you have like 3 clients, or multi-cash out 30k. What are we talking about? Modeling. If you know you have a very nice body, guys, you can model. You don't have to be signed under an agency. You can freelance. So I mean, you can start off by just taking really, really dope ass pictures and just posting your Instagram. You find out that random people will just be hitting you up like, yo, do you model? Come model for my clothing brand. Come model for me. I will pay you some money. There are also face models, finger models, leg models. Like, I'm not saying sell your body parts, but like you can model people's stuff, I mean, to make money. So it's that easy, like it's not difficult. And this is my last point, guys. Social media. You can make loads and loads of money from social media, guys. So you can, I don't know, YouTube. Like YouTube takes a long while for you to actually start making money off of, but if you're really interested in it, you can start building up, start stacking up like I'm doing, you know. Like start stacking up, you know, put your face out there. You can start making money from your Instagram. I mean, like if you have a sensible amount of followers and you also have like lovely engagement, like brands can reach out to you to, you know, model off their clothes for them, advertise their products for them, advertise their services for them. I mean, like if you have a strong voice and brands recognize this, they will definitely hit you up to, you know, definitely make money from Instagram, guys, because I have friends who make money from it. I'm like, why am I not making money from it too? Follow my Instagram, guys. I'll be posting it somewhere so that, you know, my business can start booming. But like, yeah, you can make money from Instagram, you can make money from YouTube, you can make money from blogs. I mean, like some companies could, you know, pay you to put their blog as an advert or something like that. Amaraji, do you know how much that girl is making? And she's just making videos, guys, and she's cashing out. Like there are a lot of people making money from social media these days. So if you have a talent and you know that, okay, people would love to watch me, people would love to, you know, engage with me, people just love me, I mean, you have that personality, you definitely can make money from social media, guys. So yeah, those are ways for you to make some coins this 2018. Go out there and make you some money. Alright guys, so if I was of help, please make sure you like this video, like it, and subscribe, like, comment down below if you have other ways, you know, people could possibly make money. And make sure you follow me on my social media, guys. Definitely be putting that down in my description box. I'm trying to reach out to you guys. I'm trying to make you guys love me. Tell me what you want. Give me like video suggestions, guys. You know, is it relationship advice? Is it tutorials? Reaction videos? Just let me know, guys, and I'll do it. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Apparently I look too fine to be soaking Gary.
I didn't say that, but it doesn't make sense.
Soaking 101. I'm done. If you liked it, make
Subscribe.
sure you. She got too carried away. Girl, man.
You're supposed to be enjoying the gay.
No. Yeah. Thank
Better.
You smart. You loyal. I appreciate that. Yeah, how am I meant to do this? No, I don't suffer. So I don't know. How am I meant to look?
See these people. Maybe what? You should not ask me that so fast. Hey! Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Beep, beep.
We can end it now.